Hey guys, the InfraPink Panther here with the step-by-step steps for the 1 billion rising break the chains beginner poi routine, or simply untethered for short. Grab your poi and glow sticks while I bore you with some notes. Note: this video will be mirrored so you can follow along with the moves, just in case you thought I couldn't tell my left from my right, which I can't, but now I have an excuse. Second, I'll be facing the camera for the wall plane moves so you can see what's going on. I'll make a little compass-like graphic somewhere in the corner so you can see what direction is which. The front is where the forward wheels are rolling to, and the left, right, and back are relative to that. Okay, let's get started. Before you start, get your poi or glow sticks ready. Now, it depends on how you hold your poi, but it should start hanging over the back of your hand. Then scoop around so the end is hanging over your wrist. Depending on the length of your tether, you might need to adjust it. This is the intro. Practice it to get your timing down. Stand with your lead foot back. I like to spin with my left foot forward, so to start, it will be back. Raise your arms to the sky, let the poi hang down, but be careful they don't unwind. I call this the Y stance. Hold until the downbeat, then bring your hands together and go down on one knee. Listen, if you feel stupid doing this, do it anyway, because it looks good. If you kind of fake it and do it half-baked, then it will look stupid. At least, that's what I tell myself. Okay, next, slowly stand, arms up, and open them like a door, even though we're not walking through that door just yet. Move straight into a brave pose like this. As you do, let the tether slide down into your hand and grip it. Now, we'll walk through that door. Step forward and raise your arm as if you're holding a lantern. Lastly, this bit is tricky and takes some practice to get the timing. The music is going to go shh and break into the beat. As it does, bring both arms up and on the downbeat, start with an inside forward spin. Okay, get into your start position and let's run through it. Ready stance, lead foot back. Y stance.
I raise my arms to the sky.
Down.
On my knees, I pray.
Rise.
I'm not
Brave stance.
afraid anymore.
Step.
I will walk
Lantern.
through that door.
Raise and inside. 3. Okay, keep practicing with that little shoop there, and you'll get the timing down. Now we're going to be doing a forward wheel plane spin. And there's 3 groups of beats where we do an inside spin. There's going to be 1, there's going to be 3, then there's going to be 2. After that, we'll just drop right into a regular forward wheel plane spin. Now you'll notice I still have the tethers wrapped around my hands as I'm doing these spins. I do that because, well, let's just say I like to accessorize, and these little bicycle streamers tend to smack me in the face on the inside spin. If you have really short tethers, you don't need to do this, so you can unwrap yours right at the start of the bridge. Alright, let's get back into our lantern pose to get ready for this part. Step.
I will walk
Lantern.
through that door.
Raise and inside. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Skip rope.
Can see a world where we all live.
Now for something easy. We're just going to skip rope. When she sings, aggression. Okay, I can't sing. We're going to do a real turn. I'm going to turn to the right. If you're not an ambi-turner and need to go left, that's fine. If you are an ambi-turner, but like me, you can't make decisions, just do what I do. It's easier. Turn to the back and skip rope this way. At the end of the verse, we'll turn right into a wheel plane. For now, get ready to spin forward. skip rope.
Can see a world where we all live, safe and free from all
Real
oppression.
turn. Skip rope.
No more rape or incest or abuse. Women are not a possession.
Wallflowers.
You never own
Switch.
me. Don't even
From reverse wheels, turn right into the wall plane, where we'll do some wallflowers. Don't worry about doing them precisely. All we're going to do is spin in the wall plane while we move our hands in a circle. Aim for the 4 points. Do one circle, switch direction for the second, then switch back for the last 2. And then turn to the front. Now to get ready to practice, start facing backwards with reverse wheels.
abuse. Women are not a possession.
Wallflowers.
You never own
Switch.
me. Don't even know
Switch.
me. I'm not invisible. I'm simply wonderful.
Real flowers.
I feel my heart for the first time.
From the wall plane, turn right to face the front. We're going to do what I call wheel flowers for simplicity. Now what these are, instead of spinning your wheels from one point as usual, you'll move your hands in a circle as you spin. Now get ready to practice starting at the wallflowers. Go.
Invisible. I'm simply wonderful.
Wheel flowers.
I feel my heart for the first time racing. I feel alive. I feel so
Crossers.
amazing.
After wheel flowers is a set of crossers. Now if you can't do crossers, if you're worried about smacking yourself in the head, you can use inside spins instead. The crossers are a lot of fun though, and really express the energy of the song. But do what works for you. In this part of the chorus, every time they sing dance, you cross. I like to switch which arm is on top each time, but I have a symmetry fixation. Now to practice, start with wheel flowers.
First time racing. I feel alive. I feel so
Crossers.
amazing.
Cross. 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 Ladders. Okay, after the last dance, it's let's turn it upside down. Do the crosser, then pull the poi into a wall spin in front of you. I'm going to call these things platters because they're big and flat and I'm bad with names. Then bring them together into a butterfly for break the chain. On the come on parts, bounce the butterfly up and down. Okay, now spin forward and get ready to cross. 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 Ladders. Butterfly. Bounce it. Break. When you're doing the bouncy butterfly, pay attention to the lyrics. When they say break, you want to break out of the butterfly for the next move. Now this next bit is the hardest move in this whole thing, and I apologize for that. I really needed a dancing move to turn around and match the music. So you'll be in the bouncy butterfly, break out, and they'll sing, "It's time to break the dance." And we'll all break dance. Well, no, just kidding. We will go, "It's time to break the kick." Turn. Back here, we'll do a set of 3 inside, spin, spin. Again, to do these, I wrap the tether around my hand as I turn around. You might be able to skip that part. It'll be easier. To practice, get ready with the bouncy butterfly. Butterfly. Bounce it. Break. Kick. Turn. Inside. 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 Skip rope. That was so hard, let's do it again. Get ready with the bouncy butterfly. Butterfly. Bounce it. Break. Kick. Turn. Inside. 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 Skip rope. We're here at the back skipping rope, backwards. When she says, "World," I know I can't sing. we'll do a real turn to the front. I'm going right again. Okay, more skipping rope, just like the first verse, but facing the opposite way. Get set facing back with the reverse wheels, and we'll go through it. Inside. Skip rope. Real turn. Skip rope. Wallflowers. Now you're skipping rope, and at the end of the second verse, turn right into wallflowers. Just like before, we'll do one, switch, and then two. Then turn left to the front for wheelflowers. From here, it's just like the first chorus. Wheelflowers, then crossers, the platter butterfly bouncy part. This time, you'll do the bouncy come on part twice, and on the second, break out to do the 3-beat weave for the interlude. For now, we're starting with skipping rope facing forward. Skip rope. Wallflowers.
This is my body.
Switch.
My body's holy.
Switch.
No more excuses.
Go.
No more abuses.
Wheelflowers.
We are mothers. We are teachers. We are beautiful, beautiful
Crossers.
creatures.
Cross.
Dancers of love.
Cross.
Dancers of dreams. Dancers of had enough.
Cross.
Stop the scream.
Cross.
Break the rules. Stop the pain.
Cross.
Turn it
Platters.
upside down.
Butterfly.
Break the
Bounce it.
chain. Oh yeah.
Again.
Break the chain. Oh yeah.
3-beat weaves.
Break the chain.
From bouncy butterflies, break out into asynchronous forward spins and go into a 3-beat weave. This part is just a whole lot of 3-beat weave. Don't go too fast and tire yourself out. You can get into a nice rhythm with the Sister Won't You Help, Sister Won't You Rise parts. You can go different speeds, faster or slower, or if this is too much or too boring, you can ad-lib. Be more dancey with it. I'm not that great with footwork. For practice, start with the butterflies. Butterfly. Bounce it. Again. 3-beat weaves. From 3-beat weave, it's 4 repeats after the last dance. Break out to forward wheels, and then turn right for wallflowers. Same as the second chorus. Then left for wheelflowers. Go back into 3-beat weave to start this section. Wallflowers. Switch. Switch. Go. Wheelflowers. Okay, we're doing wheelflowers, and you know the drill, or you will soon. Wheelflowers, crossers, butterflies, bouncy butterflies, 2 times, then break for crossers. Repeat the crossers, and we'll be ready for the end. But not yet. For now, start with wheelflowers. Wheelflowers.
We are mothers, we are teachers, we are beautiful, beautiful
Crossers.
creatures.
Cross. 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 Platters. Butterfly. That's it. Again. Break for from crossers to butterflies, and then we need to get the poi into our hands. There's two ways to do that. The easiest way is to keep spinning this direction and wrap the tether around your hand. I don't like this method because I end up holding my crystals like daggers. Not the concept I was going for. If you can catch your sticks up near the end like this, that would work. But me, I need to wrap my crystals the other way. To do that, we need a stall. A stall just stops the poi and switches the spin direction. So from the butterfly here, let your hands travel out, then pull the poi back. Wrap, wrap, grab, and boom! From here, cross your sticks, or your wrists, whichever feels best for you, over your heart. Kinda lean back and bow your head for the 1 billion. And then on rising, raise up your poi. I like to call this a V stance. It's basically the same as the Y stance we started in, except instead of the tethers being wrapped around our wrists like chains, and the poi hanging down like dragging us down, we have a grip on the poi like, well, kinda like a dagger, or a wand if you prefer, or a candle. We have a grip, we have control, and we raise it up. So, alright, start in the bouncy butterflies. Bottoms, butterfly, bounce it. Wrap, extance, V stance. And since it's so short, let's do it again. Bottoms, butterfly, bounce it. Stall, wrap, extance, V stance. Well, there you have it. When you're ready, you can go on to the practice video with much less talking. Good luck and have fun!